Hi, my name is Karan. I'm currently working as a cybersecurity consultant. I would like to review Microsoft Azure a rating of 5. For more reviews like this, please click below. Before I was using Azure, which is on cloud currently, I was using the on-prem servers and applications, which wasn't really something efficient these days because of cost, because of management and organizing data. We all know that cloud has its own benefits, and like this is more efficient as compared to using the on-prem servers and applications. So I decided to choose Microsoft Azure because it's the best product in the market currently in terms of cloud computing. So it's cost effective, it's user friendly, it has lots of features, it has huge compatibility across various platforms. Some of the services within Microsoft Azure are really amazing, and they have lots of good documentations available and like lots of good resources basically to access those kind of services within Azure. When we got Azure into the organization, like we had to migrate from on-premise services to the cloud. It was a big migration and required lots of like efforts in terms of migrating everything, making some kind of integrations, and like for that purpose it was like Microsoft had all those important like useful documentations for us. So the migration was easy and we all were happy once we got migrated to Azure, since it's very cost friendly, it's useful, it has useful documentations, it has huge connectivities and adaptabilities. I would advise people who are planning to migrate to Microsoft Azure is to have like a very refined planning of what all needs to migrate to Azure, since for the cloud computing there are ways where you can pay for whatever resources you're using. So you should be wise enough to choose what resources are you going to plan to use for Microsoft within Microsoft Azure for cloud computing. And secondly, I would also ask like you to maybe even look at compatibilities about what kind of integrations within Azure you need, because sometimes there would be cases it's not possible within Azure, but you have to make sure you have that way out within Azure to make that application successful.